Hello guys, welcome to the market channel. It's good to have you guys again today. And in this video, I'm going to be taking another episode of Life of a Trader, Trading's Journey. Traders journey, trying to show you guys how trader, how they feel, what they're able to make out of the market, the losses they made, the profits, sharing their personal experience with you guys. And this is another episode. Our first episode was a bomb. You guys can watch it out. I'm going to be putting the link in the top of this video. You can watch it out. I'll after this video, check it on our channel. Life of a Trader episode 1 with all our sound. That was awesome. People love it. So today I'm going to be taking on another one, which is episode 2. And personally, it is going to be my own personal experience. So don't forget, I'm DeMarket, so the main founder of this channel, and I'm going to be sharing with you my experience of how I lost over $5,000 while trading. I'm going to be sharing with you the experience and how everything and what you should take care from it and how you can also improve yourself, because I know that a lot of traders are losing money and which they allow market revenge or trying to collect their money back on the market, take over, which makes them losing more. And to avoid that, learn from my experience and let's continue. And before I continue, if you are just watching this video right now, kindly subscribe now, put on a notification, and also like this video. Let's get started. So, as you all know, I'm the market. And how did I actually lose $5,000? Over $5,000. How did I lose it? So I started trading back in 2019. Yeah, 2019, which was when I completed my undergraduate. And I am a friend, a very good friend of mine. So back then, the guy used to borrow my system, trying to learn trading. He used his own personal money that was meant to for his, I guess maybe his faculty fee or a departmental fee. I can't remember exactly. So, but I know it's one of those fees that you either pay to faculty or department. So he used the money, bought a course online, and the course was a binary trading course. So binary trading. I know if you know binary option trading, most of you. So I started my trading with binary option. So he bought the course then, and then he started watching, but he doesn't have a system. So because we are friends, he borrowed my system to practice, and uh, and then over time, I noticed he was able to grow his demo account. He grew his demo account from IQ option then used to give you $10,000 for demo. So he grew his demo account from 10,000 to over $1 million. I was like, when I saw the account, because like I said, I used to borrow my system. So I like, guy, let's fund. You know how to trade this thing. Let's fund. Why are you wasting your talent? But like, I don't have money and I'm just kidding. I was like, guy, don't worry. We'll find money. Let's raise money. Do you understand? Because I like, how would someone take demo account from 10K to $1 million? Even I'm not, like I said, I don't have any idea of trading there. I want to learn Forex, but I never completed my course. So I was like, let's fund the money. So then we contributed money. Then dollar was very, very cheap. What that was, and maybe two or something per dollar. Or I give me about it's maybe about maybe worst case, maybe it's 330 then. Maybe I'm very sure it's between 280 and 330 or 360. I don't think it's even up to 360 then. So, boy, it's that range though. So we contributed money, we contributed $30, 12 of us. Maybe we contributed maybe 80,000 naira. I can't remember exactly. We contributed $30 and we funded the account. And the funniest thing that same day, he grew the money from $30 to $100. And the funniest thing, that same day he grew the money to $100, he blew the money. So he blew the money. And then I was like, bro, if I continue, I will try not to make this video long. It's a long story. But I feel starting from scratch actually makes more sense. But if I'm unable to get to exactly the point where I'm going, maybe I'm going to make this video 2 times. I make it. I will still make the episode 3. So, but initially I was planning on inviting some people to for the episode 3. But let's see how it goes. Let's see where I can end it. So he blew the money. And I was like, guy, what happened? Me, I was not mad at him. But when I saw him with the 100 plus, I was happy that we make profit with $30. In just a single day, this guy made about over 300%. But when he blew the money, I wasn't hungry. Do you understand? So I was like, okay, fine, we move. I told him what's the next step. So he said maybe we should fund another thing. So, but before we fund the money, we have uh someone, I did call him my boss because back then in school I've worked with him before. So he's a very nice guy. I and him we do a lot of online stuff, like trying to find money online, all this kind of stuff. So, and at the time we have actually invested in crypto, both of us, I and my boss. We bought some coin during the market. I guess maybe 2018 or 2019 also, I can't remember exactly. It should be 2019. So we bought some coins then, and that vet and the like. So into the bull market, so we already bought some coins. So we already like into all this online trading. But I'm not really a trader then that I can say that I know technical analysis. I don't know technicals then. So I'm just like, I just followed him, just give me like buy this, buy this, buy this at that then. So let me just cut this really short about that. So this is my boss. I told him about the binary option trading that this my friend did this and the likes, and he was so interested. So he gave us $100. Do you understand? As he gave us $100 that we should go ahead and trade the money. That he told us just play with it. That way he said like you shouldn't be scared. If you lose it, fine. Let's just see what's wrong. Because I know he's an investor. He's ready to put more money for us and trade if we are ready to make money. You understand? So, and then what he did then was that then after the old stuff, we went in the morning, we actually grew the money to I guess 200 something dollar. Maybe in 3 days or something. I can't remember exactly how many days it took us, but I'm very sure it's not up to a week. Do you understand? And then the funniest thing that I guess the following week we lost it. We blew the account. So when we blew the account, he was like, "What happened, guys?" He was not mad at us, like I said. He just gave us the money to play with. He was like, "What happened? What happened, guys? Speak to us," that kind of stuff. So, and then after sometimes we're like, maybe we need more practice and the likes. Actually, don't forget that time we don't have mentor. That my friend that is trading, he just learned it online. He doesn't have a mentor. He just bought the course, watch it and like. So he does not really have experience about the market. So just like we're just playing around. So even at the time, I've not even learned how to even trade the binary itself. Do you understand? So I'm just like a follower trying to make money from my boss. Do you understand? So and then at the time, uh, he, my boss that gave us $100 told us that okay, oh, you guys should go ahead and practice more. If you guys are ready, let me know. I will fund you guys again. That's what he said. I was like, let's go ahead and practice to throw that we just in time. So during the practice, he already planned to give us, I guess, $400, $500, I can't remember. So at the time, because we planned on splitting the money into two accounts, so my friend now said, okay, me personally should also learn how to trade. Do you understand? So that I can handle one account and it can also handle one account, and then from there we can trade it together, something like that. I said that's a great plan. So he taught me how to trade binary. And then it was more of indicators, using indicators, RSI, CCI, and Bollinger Bands and the like. So I guess basically more of RSI we're using then, or some overbought, oversold, and the like. So it was that we were using at the time. And then during our practice, we noticed we're already good again. You know how this thing works, that everything just works fine on demo. But when you start placing real account, everything does go wrong. It is something that somehow is very difficult to explain. Because in the demo, you don't place with any fear because it's not your money. The last time, you just place anyhow. But real account, you always be conscious, like, oh, this money was not good. This is my last card. This money is not for me. I borrowed it. Oh, someone gave it to me, that kind of stuff. So that fear or that caution it makes you losing good trades. So I doing our practice, I was like, we are good again. Let's fund money. So we funded. $30 again. So don't forget we now have two accounts. So I found $30 on my account, we found $20 on the account. So we in total we have $60. So we traded this $30. Don't forget, we already told my main boss that we are practicing. So as we we're now practicing with real money instead of practice account. We're like we should be able to get better trading practice real money than trading demo. And we traded the money. Funniest thing, in the first week, we're able to, because at the time we're making 40% of the balance every day. So let's assume today is $30. We start with $30. 40% of $30 we're going to make before the end of that day. And then the following day, 40% of the balance of the previous day. You understand how we are doing that now? 40% of the balance of the previous day. So that's how we are doing it. So and with that, by the end of that week, we grew the money. Sometimes we make more than 40%. So yeah, so now we make 50% of the balance of the previous day. Sometimes we make more, but our target is always like at least 40%. Do you understand? So by the end of that week, we already had 330 something dollars. We're like, wow, this is really sweet. From $30 to 330 something dollars. See how crazy it is. So we're so happy at the time. No, we're like, this is huge for us. So we withdrew $100 the last time. And now $100 then was 30 something thousand, I guess 36,000 or something, at 33,000 of it too. I remember we used my friend account then to get the money. I can remember his name. I don't want to mention his name. So we were like a big boy there. You understand? We go to the restaurant, spend the money, buy some stuff, try to get. I get we bought data also at the time, for everything down to make sure we're active for the next set of week. And then the following week, we blew one account. So the account we blew, was it my account or his own account? I can't remember exactly if it was the account of mine or his own, but I knew we blew one of the accounts. So since we blew one of the accounts, so we only had one account left. So since you have one account less, we will focus more energy because you don't want to fund any money again. So we were like, let's just go on with this account. We focus more our energy on that single account and we keep doing the same thing. 30% of the previous day. There are 40% of the previous day. And like I said, sometimes we make more, way more than 40%. And we use martingale rule. I don't know if you know martingale rule. So sometimes most time we make more than the 40%. Sometimes we make like 80%. Sometimes we almost double the balance of the previous day. So we make more. So, and funniest thing that by the end of that 2 weeks, do you understand? We had about over $1,000 in the account. And that was so huge for us. Do you understand? And then the third week, our account was already saying 7,700 something dollars. We were so happy, man, that wow, this is so, so hateful. We're so happy, feeling on top of the world. My friend, anytime you just see a car, then you're like, oh, I can buy this car now. He just bragging about saying that I can buy this car now. I have the money to buy this car right now. We just, like I said, we just finished our undergrad, having like over $7,000 now account. It's very huge. At the time on the IQ option, our position at the time, they used to do IQ option ranking, like weekly leadership board or the leadership board at the time. There was a time we were the first person. The other time we came back to the second position. I guess later we went to the third because if you do main point and you switch position. So like we're like top three for the leadership board for the week because our total revenue was over $20,000. Don't forget, it's like you have to lose and win. But revenue, don't forget, revenue just like amount of like your turnover, that's just the revenue. So our revenue for the week was over $20,000 and our balance at the time was 7,000 plus. So it was so huge. It was very, very, we are very happy because first we don't have a mentor, we don't anything, just like a lock for us, a graph with indicator making so huge amount of money. Yeah, do you understand? Like I said, I'm going to give you guys proof. So it won't be as if I'm lying. Share graph. Don't worry, once I send the screenshot of the trading history, you can check the date. You see that it should be around either November or October. I can't remember exact the month. You understand? But if you check the trading, you get to see when it happened when the money was lost. So and then going to try to cut the story short. So let's but and I'm going to give you a lesson that you should learn from it. Do you understand? So, and at the time, some just rush it up. So after with that morning, we're so happy, feeling on top of the world. Don't forget, we keep doing our 40% of the previous day. Now, this is where the issue comes. You have $7,000 in your account. 40% of $7,000. That's like about, I'm not sure the right calculation. I know that, but I know that's about over 25. You understand? That's over $2,500. So you're using $7,000 to look for $2,500 for in a particular day. That is very, very huge. That means you have to risk more of your balance, do you understand, to actually get the money, your target. And I was like that day, I and my friend talk about it before we are going for our trading session that morning. I was like, this money we are looking for is too much. Let's reduce our target to 20%. 20% is still fine on the balance. My friend was like, oh, since we have not losing the money, we can't lose it. Don't worry, just keep it going. Because at the end of the week, we are targeting like $11,000 at the end of the week. So, and also initially at the time, we plan to withdraw the money, like take some money out. But at the time, the passport we were using was my brother's passport, which got expired. So it has to like renew the passport before we can withdraw. So which was a problem we had. Because initial plan was that once we get to $8,000, we withdraw 1K and the likes, and keep going. But because of the passport, we were able to, because of the passport for verification, we are unable to like withdraw money. So which find it difficult for us to like keep trading. And because we don't have, like I said, we don't have a mentor, we're just a random guy trading and making money. So while we're waiting for the passport to come, we kept on trading, looking for our 40%, and we hit our bad week. We hit our baddest week of all time. Don't forget what you are saying is like within 3 weeks, we made that so much money. Do you understand?